Welcome to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Today, I wanted to share how I get 6 of the superfood elites. These are like the best of the best. And my diet each day, yes, each day, in a way that is super quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. These foods include kombucha, matcha powder, kraut, fermented cottage cheese, turmeric, and dark chocolate. So let me show you. All right, love the lemon ginger kombucha because it's, relative to almost every kombucha, it's got the lowest sugar. And you can see that. In fact, you should start looking at how much sugar is in the kombucha you buy. This might spray. And I usually just pour, again, about 3 ounces, no more. I don't need much. 3 ounces is plenty, right? And I'm gonna sprinkle in some matcha powder. This particular brand of matcha powder, I will tell you, has a very high rating for value and having tons of polyphenols. That's like the magic ingredient and why you do this stuff. And this brand has a lot, and it's a really reasonably priced. And again, I don't measure. And then if you happen, you can mix this up with a fork, but if you happen to have one of these, ooh, it's great. These foam, what do you call these things? Frothers. Great way to get your matcha into, and then it tastes so good. No matter what I have for my lunch, I always have this on the side. So I take a nice, maybe 2 heaping tablespoons of the kraut. I just do a little bit of the fermented cottage cheese. Gonna top it with my heavy dusting of turmeric. I mean, again, I don't measure anything. And then always want to activate that, improve the bioavailability of the turmeric with the black pepper. Mix that up. And that is a little side, extra side, always at my lunch. Absolutely delicious. Usually have a 1 or 2 squares of dark chocolate, and I love having a bite of the dark chocolate. I'm gonna bite of fig. Delicious. Because I like really high cacao dark chocolate, like 90 plus. The sweet of the fig, it's so good.